Have you ever thought of owning a piece of the rock, coral stone rock, to be exact? This beautiful home, believed to be in the 1700s, restored in 2002, is actually up for sale. So let's take you through and show you what this beautiful home has to offer.
Step inside Gibbons House, where old world charm meets contemporary elegance. This is a home that wears its history proudly while embracing modern grace, a fusion that makes it truly unforgettable. Owned by Jennifer and Anthony Willoughby, the house began life as a traditional plantation dwelling. The original structure was 2 levels, living quarters above, with root cellars and storage below. You can see the arched entryways that once supported the upper level. Later, a previous owner, enchanted by Mediterranean architecture, added the sweeping grand hall. The result, a house that feels both timeless and unusual, with surprises around every corner.
I absolutely love the architecture here. Look at this grandfather clock. I have never seen one of these in real life myself. It is beautiful. Here we enter into the next room. This reminds me of the dining room. This must be the dining room. Look at those mahogany chairs. Antiques, priceless in Barbados now. This one here, you should all know, every Barbadian home had one of these in it, where Granny would put all of her best china, and you're not supposed to touch or use it. Now I remember growing up seeing these as a child, the wicker chairs. I actually came from the area of Brown's Gap, Backhouse Road, where the blind association the gentlemen would actually make these. So I grew up seeing them being made. The craftsmanship is just immaculate. Look at that, the old lantern with Home Sweet Home on it. Home Sweet Home. Beautiful. This one looks like it's the study. A few modern bits in it. We've got monitor here. Nice little sitting area over here. I love the mixture of red and browns. Gorgeous. This bed is huge. Look at that. It's a wash basin. Do your morning washing. This is where you get your morning wash. Fill this up with some water. Then pour it in here and give yourself a quick wash. It's turquoise, beachy, sea theme. So nicely done. It is not as traditional, but it is just as beautiful.
Every detail of the interior design was imagined by Mrs. Willoughby, a self-taught designer. Each room has its own personality with distinctive colors and themes that make them feel like chapters in a storybook.
Straight into the TV room, or one of them. And we've got the patio, back garden over here. So I just spoke with the current owners of the property. This beautiful property came from next to nothing. This place is falling apart when they bought it. The roof was dropping in. There was hardly any floors, but now it is absolutely gorgeous. And this property is up for sale. Can you believe it? Absolutely gorgeous. It is a step back in time in the most eloquent way. So I'm going to head upstairs and see some rooms. So it seems we have a Oriental themed room over here. Yep, red wall. This beautiful bedroom. Now I've seen these visions of architecture and design online, but I've never seen one in person that looks this well put together. This is actually my dream. Minus the color, but the size of the bed. Sorry for the light, it's a little dark in here.
Hello.
But this is gorgeous. Goodness, look at the little kids' room. It's perfect. Let me turn around and see if I can get better lighting for you guys. Yep, look at that. It's like a kid's old nursery vibes. Vintage nursery vibes. And look at this chest. I always wanted one of these. Put all your treasures in.
Is the gentleman at the same back? Yes.
The view from upstairs, it is so grand. What a grand view that is. Look at this grand mirror. I'm gonna go closer so you can see the details. Beautiful. I love this side table here. Marble top, carvings, and then the china on top. Beautiful. And this leads you back downstairs. Okay, so as I just learned, you can tell the original cobblestone by the width of these columns. As you can see here, look at this size right here. I'll try to highlight it. So this is the original property right here. This is an add-on, as you can see, with the sizes of the bricks over here. I hope that I got that right. Someone might correct me. That's okay if you correct me. So as you can see, much smaller, much thinner in comparison to these large cobblestone bricks right here. Now we're outside in the beautiful outdoor patio right next to the gardens. I have enjoyed my time here, walking through history, learning more about Barbados, architecture of homes, and of course enjoying the planes as they fly over. As I was saying, enjoyed my time here, and I look forward to all of the open houses that the Barbados National Trust has for the coming weeks. I'll list all of them here for you guys to see. This is the new format for Bajan Lifestyles. We'll be doing real estate, hotels, restaurants, open houses. We'll be giving you the culture, the cuisine, the history, all wrapped into a neat little format. So if you're not following, you know what to do. Click the link, it's free, and stay tuned for many more videos like this.